Rice, cauliflower? What can you do with this? Let's make some grits. Roll the intro. What is up, my keto friends? Welcome back to another video. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
If this is your first time here watching this channel and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, do me a favor, real quick, drop right below the video. There's a red subscribe button. Click the subscribe button, move a little bit over, click that bell, and then click all notifications so you do not miss anything great on this channel. And I did say great like Tony Tiger. Today, we are making grits.
Well,
now,
we call it grits.
We don't?
We call it grits,
What do
but
we
it's
call
not
it?
really
Well,
grits.
here's the thing. Since we've started a keto lifestyle, there's certain things that we've had to put down that we used to love. I love grits. Grew up on grits down in the South. LA, as we call it, Lower Alabama.
Roadside.
Dad used to make grits. He would have this pot, and it would just be boiling. The lid would just be popping off and just dripping over on the stove. It was ridiculous. Then he would fill his plate up to the brim, like
Over eggs.
Yeah, over eggs. And if like you put a spoon in there, it's gonna drip out.
He didn't.
I don't know how he did it. It was amazing. Anyway, grits, grew up on them. That was just boiling. Then came the age of Quaker Oats made instant grits and the little maple package and
Maple.
Yeah,
You're
it was-
talking about oatmeal. Oh.
no.
oatmeal.
It was cheese grits.
Yeah.
What was the other one?
Regular. Or
Regular.
original.
There's bacon. There was bacon. There was red eye gravy grits.
Yeah.
Loved it. But we had to put that behind us. So my wife come up with this great idea.
Well, even before that, before we went from doing keto, we started doing, my kids liked grits. We always made grits for them for breakfast. So grits is out. So we decided to do quinoa. And so we did quinoa with bacon and
Or
cheese.
quinoa, as some parts of the country.
Yeah, and if you're in the north, you have no clue what we're talking about because from what I understand, there's no grits in the north. There's probably no grits anywhere other than
But there is hominy,
which is disgusting.
which is equivalent to what we eat
It's
as
so
grits.
not. It's
Well,
like
what's
big
hominy?
chunks of homony's like big corn.
Aren't they made from the same thing?
Well, it's all made from corn.
There you go.
But it's gross.
corn based.
Anyway, so I would do quinoa with bacon and cheese. And now since we're on, doing keto and the kids are like, Mom, I miss eating quinoa with bacon and cheese. And so I said, you know what? Got my mind thinking.
Here
I'm
we
like,
go.
I could do rice cauliflower and get all the juice out of it, steam it, get all the wet and make it kind of,
Right.
yeah, and do that.
And see
So
if
I
it
did.
had some type of consistency that was similar to the grit experience.
Yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't taste like grits, but it's still good.
It doesn't?
No.
I don't know. I'm going to have it at the end of this video. I'm going to try it.
Yeah, because he's not a big, you did grits, but you never did the quinoa.
Nah, I was like, is this a substitution? Because it ain't working. So
I loved
we'll
it.
try it at the end and
And
see.
the kids loved it, and that's all that matters. You don't care. You don't
All
have
right.
it.
Let's show you how to make it.
Okay, and for today's recipe, we're going to be using 2 bags of rice cauliflower, 1 cup of crumbled bacon, and 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and always salt to taste.
Okay, guys, we just got finished preparing the cauliflower. Cauliflower. That's a hard one. Say it 3 times fast.
Not hard.
But don't tell your mother. Cauliflower rice. And she's turned it into grits. You saw how she prepared it. So now we're about to taste and see if it's worthy of the grit name.
And what I did was I got a little ice cream scooper and made little scoops, so it's kind of cute.
Cute. It's all about the cuteness.
This is not one of Byron's favorites, so I'm surprised to see how he
Okay, let's
reacts.
see. You ready?
Yeah. Wow.
Grits.
But not.
No.
This is so good.
Well, you're gonna have to try it for yourself.
Look.
Look, I usually love everything we cook on this channel, but I'm gonna have to go thumbs down on this. Look, no, it's not. Oh, wait, I gotta, wait a minute. A piece of bacon. Now that makes it right there.
Look, this is a great little side that
No, it's not bad. I'm just saying, we're not so naive to think that everything we try on keto, I just spit everywhere. Why spit on this video a lot?
Because you're talking and eating.
We're not so naive to tell you that everything we try, and we're so blinded because we're keto-fied, that everything that we've left behind now tastes all of a sudden just like what we left behind. That's not the case. It still doesn't taste like grits, but it's edible.
It's a great substitute.
It is a great substitute. But, I mean, it doesn't taste like grits, but it's not bad. I don't hate it.
Yeah, it's not grits, but you can also use this for a side with like meat, like a kind of almost like an au gratin, kind of like a little potato au gratin or something like that.
Yeah.
You can use it like that. My kids love it, and that's the important thing. I really, really like it. I knew, because you didn't like the quinoa bacon and cheese. I knew
You know I was
probably
gonna, bro.
wouldn't. Yeah, I knew you weren't going to be a
I
lover.
could probably do this once a week for breakfast, maybe a Saturday morning for breakfast.
And see, that's the thing. I make this for the kids for breakfast because they get tired of eating scrambled eggs all the time. So we do
But
the
they love
yogurt.
it.
We do the yogurt that we've shown on a video. We do
Videos above us.
We do fried eggs and bacon. We do a scrambled eggs
Classic.
with bacon, and then I will do this, and the kids they love it. So it might be something you get a vegetable in, and so it
Look,
might be
at
something you want to do
least
for the
if
kids.
you're trying ketogenic lifestyle, at least try the cauliflower and see if it's something you can put in your life. I mean, it's not one of my favorites, but I'll still eat it.
Yeah, you will.
Well, hey, thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. And until next time, remember, keep it gritty. Keto, grits, keto, gritty.
One of these days we'll get the right thing.
Every one of them's right. Hey, you know what? Susan left the room. I'm not gonna tell her, but a couple of more bites of this. It's delicious. Oh, don't tell her. Don't tell her I said that. Okay, it's between us.